everyone, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about a very bad day in my life and why we should stop trying to be perfect. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. Usually, my days are calm and simple. Usually, I smile and say life is beautiful. Today feels messy and difficult. The sky is gray, the rain is cold, the wind is strong. I feel tired and frustrated. Do you ever have a day like this? A day when small problems appear again and again? Today is my bad day. But this story is not only about problems.
This story is also about patience, breathing, and finding peace in a difficult moment.
First, my alarm clock rings in the morning, but I do not hear it. I sleep deeply. The room is quiet and warm. Suddenly, I open my eyes. I look at the clock. It shows 8 o'clock. I jump out of my bed. I feel shocked and nervous. I say, "Oh no, I am late." I quickly brush my teeth and wear my clothes. My hands move fast. My mind feels busy. Then, I run out of my apartment. The hallway feels cold. The morning air outside is fresh but strong. Next, I walk quickly on the street. The sky looks gray and heavy. The wind feels cold on my face. I take my phone from my pocket to check the time. But suddenly, my phone slips from my hand. It falls to the ground. I hear a sharp sound, crack. I slowly pick it up. My heart feels heavy. The screen is broken. The glass looks like a spider web. The screen is black. I press the button again and again. Nothing happens. I sigh deeply. I say quietly, "This is not a good morning." After that, I hurry toward the bus stop. The street becomes darker. Small drops of rain fall from the sky. The rain touches my face and my hair. When I arrive at the bus stop, I see the bus in front of me. For a moment, I feel happy, but the bus doors close. The engine starts. The bus moves away slowly. I stand still. I stand still. The rain becomes stronger. My shoulders drop. My clothes become wet. I whisper to myself, "My phone is broken. I missed the bus, and now it is raining." In that moment, I feel unlucky and very frustrated.
Let's stop for a moment and learn some useful words. Look at this word, frustrated.
Frustrated means you feel angry and sad because you cannot change a situation.
Today I feel frustrated because my phone is broken and I missed the bus. Now look at this word, miss. When we say, "I missed the bus," it means I arrived too late. Now look at this word, miss. When we say, "I missed the bus," it means I arrived too late.
English also has a funny saying. When it rains, it pours.
This sentence means many bad things sometimes happen together. First, a small problem happens, then another problem appears. That is exactly how my morning feels today.
After that, I look around the street. Across the road, I see a small coffee shop. Warm yellow light shines from the windows. I slowly walk inside. The door opens with a soft sound. Inside the cafe, the air feels warm and comfortable. The smell of coffee and chocolate fills the room. Soft music plays quietly. My shoulders relax. I feel safe here. A friendly barista stands behind the counter. He looks at me and smiles kindly. He says, "You look cold. Rough morning." I answer slowly, "Yes, terrible. Phone broken." Bus missed. So, I need a hot chocolate, please. The barista nods with a warm smile. Soon he brings me a cup of hot chocolate. Steam rises gently from the cup. The smell is sweet and rich. I hold the warm cup with both hands. The heat spreads through my fingers. I sit near the window. Outside, the rain continues to fall. People walk quickly with umbrellas. I take a slow sip of the chocolate. The taste is sweet and comforting. In that quiet moment, I take a deep breath. I cannot fix my phone now. I cannot catch the bus now. But I can sit here. I can drink warm chocolate. I can breathe slowly. Sometimes life is not perfect. Sometimes we stop, breathe, and accept the moment.
Now let's practice together. Please repeat after me. I am having a bad day, but I have a good life. Say it again slowly. I am having a bad day, but I have a good life. Very good. Next sentence. It is okay to feel frustrated. Repeat after me. It is okay to feel frustrated. Excellent. One more sentence. Tomorrow is a new start. Say it slowly. Tomorrow is a new start. Wonderful. Now a small question. What happened to my phone today? Did I lose my phone or did the screen break? Think for a moment. The answer is broken screen. My phone screen is broken.
Finally, I return home in the evening. The rain stops. The sky looks soft and quiet. Fresh air moves through the window. I change into dry clothes and sit on my sofa. My cat jumps next to me and curls into a small warm ball. I gently touch its soft fur. My phone is still broken, but my heart feels calm now. Bad days are normal in life. They remind us to slow down and breathe. They also help us enjoy the good days even more. That is my story about a bad day. What about you? Do you sometimes have a bad day like this? What do you do when you feel frustrated? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.